this is gross.
What's up, guys? My name is Phil. Welcome back to Miranda Detailing. So we're working on this beautiful older red truck, and we've already done a lot of work to the exterior of this. I'm going to have a separate video on the exterior because we had to remove artillery fungus and then do a very light polish. Not in paint enhancement, polish. So now as we're working on the inside, it's not that bad, but there's certain things in the inside of the vehicle that just need extra attention. The carpets and even the light cloth seats are in such good shape. We're just going to go over them very, very lightly without oversaturating and steaming like crazy and extracting, because you don't need to do that in a vehicle this clean. It's unnecessary. But these door panels are really bad. So let's show you what we're going to use to clean these and then protect them. So you can spray directly on and just use a little brush to agitate. So here's the passenger side. And for some reason, this is not on the driver's side. The passenger side is much worse. So somebody sits here and, well, gets this kind of grungy. So we're going to clean this with a simple chemical, nothing, too crazy. It's just the Meguiar's Citrus All-Purpose Cleaner or the Citrus Power Cleaner Plus. And this little guy is a new addition. We got a 5-pack of these from Car Supply's warehouse. So you can pick up any of these products that we're going to show you at Car Supply's warehouse. And this thing is nice. It's kind of an upgrade from the other little leather brush. It's a foam block and it has the same fibers. So it cleans effectively. It cleans into all the little, grain and the pores of the leather. And it's easier to handle, at least I think it is. I like that it has a little point here and comes in a 5-pack. These are great for cleaning leather like this. So let's use the all-purpose cleaner. Of course, you could use dedicated leather cleaner. It's up to you, but this does a good job of cleaning. So let's show you how we're going to clean this. So you can spray directly on and just use the little brush to agitate, and you will see it right away start to pick up the dirt from the pores in the grain of the plastics or leather. You can do the same thing with leather. You don't have to spray it on the leather directly. Spray it onto the brush just to be on the safe side. But look how nice that cleaned up. It got into all the grain of the plastic. So let's clean the rest of it. Wow. That was super fast, very easy. And of course, this was an easy demonstration. Some might take a little bit more elbow grease, but essentially, that's the finish we're left with. If it's just finger and arm grease and grime, that will come out really, really easy. So let's go ahead and start protecting the plastic. Again, you can use whatever protection you want, a water-based dressing, whatever you want, a leather conditioner. There's many different types of protectants that you can put on here. You do want something with some UV protection because obviously this is going to get sun exposure. Let's use a new product from Lithium called Inner Space. So this stuff is an interior detailer, but it has UV protection and it can be used to do light cleaning or use it as interior protection like a dressing. So you can spray it directly onto the plastics or onto the towel, your choice. Work it in, and it doesn't leave any type of super, super high gloss. It basically dries down to a nice, natural finish. It does smell nice too, almost like a grape Jolly Rancher type of smell, at least to me it does. But now we're left with a nice finish. It's just a natural look, no greasiness, dry to the touch, really nice. So if you use that over all of the dash, the interior cup holder components, the armrest, all of that, you can pretty much use it on anything. It's great for maintenance as well. If your vehicle is not grungy and nasty, then you can quickly go over that and even use a brush to agitate. But you can quickly go over all of the plastics. You can go over your leather seats if you have leather, all of the door panels with that Lithium Inner Clean. Well, I guess that door's done. So guys, that works extremely well for cleaning and conditioning and protecting. Guys, if you want to pick up the products, check out Car Supply's warehouse, and I'll have the links down below. The inner space is great, like I mentioned, as an interior detailer. So it can lightly clean, but it's meant more like a conditioner. It says condition. So this stuff can be used as a UV protectant, as a dressing, and it's a matte finish. It's not glossy and sticky and gross. You want the inside of your vehicle looking fresh and natural, not looking greasy and super shiny. That's just a cheap look, I feel. So guys, we got to get finishing this vehicle. The inside really isn't bad. So we're going to vacuum it, wipe it down, use the inner space to condition everything. Any grungy areas, we're going to use this to clean it. Of course, with the Citrus Power Cleaner Plus or the dedicated leather cleaner. You choose whatever all-purpose cleaner or your favorite interior cleaner that you want. But this brush here is excellent for handling the leather grain and the plastic grain and all these little microfiber fingers. They're basically little tiny microfiber fingers that are very gentle but effective, getting into that grain and pulling out all the grime and dirt from it. And these things are cheap also. So guys, if you do want to pick up the products, then you can pick them up at Car Supply's warehouse. And really, there's a ton of products on there that you can choose from, depending on what you need. So guys, this vehicle is going through a lot of different things that we're doing to it. So it's going to be kind of a little series of videos on this vehicle. We had to remove artillery fungus. We had to lightly polish it. We had to do a rinseless wash in our garage. We had to do an engine bay cleaning in the garage. So there's quite a few things that we're working on this vehicle, and we're going to have multiple videos coming out on it. So look forward to those. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it with others who may enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss stuff. We'll see you guys next time. Have a great week. The point is to remove them